Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add or upload a post on Telegram. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. Then we are going to click on the profile icon at the bottom. Then here there is add post. Let's pick a picture, this one. Create story, let's click there. You can decide to add captions. Write like nice day. Save. Then click next. Then here you want everyone to see it or your contacts only. Then click on the word post story. Guys, that's how you can make posts on Telegram, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.